Hello, this is the game. This is the demo game. First, we see the instructions appear on the screen for the user to see what the objective is and what the user has to do, the player. On the upper right corner, we have the highest score. In this example, it is a fixed number. Eventually, it will come from a file that will hold the highest number. Below that is your score, and if you hit the target, your score goes up. If you miss the target, your score will go down. So we hit any key to start the game, as the instructions tells us. And I hit the space bar to activate the beginning of the arrow motion. And I'm trying to hit the target. Basically, that is that simple game, and we will see the code in a second after the game is over. And the game is over. Let's see the code.